All right, fun with fire. Doing a little aerial demo. Aerial spinners, I guess you could call 'em. Glitter in the sky from Top Gun Fireworks. Look at this. It's a star. There's a rocket ship. Spins upwards, emits showers of sparks. That actually looks like a F, but that is sparks. Is that an F? Let's see. Yeah, look, they made a typo. It's not sparks, it says Sparks. Oh, we gotta love the Chinese, huh? There's your code, the TG3021. Let's see what it says here. Warning, spins upward, emits showers of sparks. There it is again. Sparks with report. 12 pieces. There's another spaceship. Pretty cool. And this is what they look like. They're really tiny. They're pretty cool. Look how tiny they are. But they're fun. So let's check out Glitter Star in the Sky. Let's check it out.
All right, here we go. Let's check it out.
Here it goes.
That's one. All right, let's try another one.
Here it goes.
Cool. Let's try one more for the good time.
That one didn't really go up that high. Pretty cool though. Glitter in the sky. That one wasn't really the sky. Pretty cool.